diversity has been a big kind of topic in the sort of social zeitgeist recently, and just been asking folks about it. We both have Puerto Rican heritage, and I just wonder your views on diversity in manufacturing and how you view the diversity in manufacturing, whether it be, racial, gender, whatever.
I think that, it is important. I will actually say that in the kind of supply chain, I think we need a lot more work on that. If you go to the OEMs and you visit a Pratt & Whitney and you visit GE, you will see very quickly that they have gotten it right, and they have.
You think so?
They have, at least in when you're dealing on the operational side, you see a diverse workforce. You see lot of women in senior leadership roles. You see, you see minorities as well across the whole organization. And so, just from a selfish perspective, I think that the supply chain needs to have people that can, work with other people who are diverse.